Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this egg oil. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Let's get started. In this video I'm going to show how to make egg oil. Egg oil is an excellent natural solution to prevent hair loss, treat dandruff, moisturize the scalp, arrest graying and promote new healthy hair growth. It also contains omega-3 and 6 fatty acids which help to stimulate hair growth. So after boiling the egg as the normal way for eating, then I peel the shell of the egg and using the yolk. In this tutorial I'm using only one egg, the yolk of one of the eggs I cooked. So after mashing the yolk, I'm going to be using sunflower oil for this tutorial. Remember, sunflower oil is a light oil. That's why I'm using it for this tutorial. So I'm using 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. After adding this oil, and I'm going to mix very well to make sure I break the particles. I break the egg yolk into smaller particles. Then here in a double boiler on a low heat, I put it on the stove just to make sure I break it more into little particles. And after which I pour in a pan to fry a little on a low heat, as you see me do here. So after frying it, allow to cool down, and with my cheesecloth I strain the oil to trap the particles from the yolk. So guys, this is the end result. If you try this video, let me know below the comment section. If you have any question, don't forget to ask. Share my videos and comment if there's any. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And also remember to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.